No. I locked myself out of the car. Well, good evening, everyone. Max of Max's Models here, and I had a few interesting little adventures today. First off, the weather here was absolutely gorgeous, so I had to hop in the Mustang and go for a little drive. Got up to Hurricane Hobbies, where I spent a month's allowance on paints that I needed. Unfortunately, they don't get a new shipment till probably Thursday because they were out of some stuff that I needed. But I got enough to make the trip worthwhile, plus it was just a glorious day to drive. So, in the news, I've been robbed. Some of you already know that this person or entity has been downloading at least 5 of my videos, mostly off the Pilots and Prop Wash channel, and basically taking everything I said, just downloading and have an AI voice re-edit it, only they add some of their own footage, which throws everything out of time. So, anyway, at first, I thought it was just funny. I mean, I'm good enough now. People are, they're stealing my stuff. I'm being pirated. Ooh, I am somebody. But a few folks suggested, you probably should get on top of that. Let YouTube know. But I tried, but there's really nothing I could do. I checked their forums and stuff. It's none of my stuff's copyrighted, so they can kind of, I got most of it from the internet, and except in one I've left my name on the end of it. But oh well, I made a little minute-and-a-half video about what happened out on my Pilots and Prop Wash channel, and I've got it tacked on to the end of this video. So you want to watch that, you can see what's going on. Anyway, so on to other things. Okay, we have 1 month till the end of March to do. We're doing our crappy kit build. And I figured, well, I got a couple of Starfix Spitfires. That's certainly something. And I don't know about this company. The kit actually looks okay, so I don't think I'm going to do it. I decided, I know that Mach 2 kit that I built was, let's put it kindly and say, a challenge. And I have this big York from Mach 2. And I'm thinking, yeah, I can look at the parts and tell this is going to be a nightmare. So that's going to be my submission for the crappy kit build, is going to be this Mach 2 York. So I didn't get out to the Tarbis till late today because I was doing the Irwin Allen video. Thanks again, guys, for all the submissions. So I started playing with that little prototype hovercraft from Airfix, and I found it a joy to work with. I built some of it right here in the office while I was, actually it's pre-fitting parts, only glued a few parts together. But when I test fit the impeller blade, it was so tight I couldn't get it out. I was afraid of breaking it, so I was stuck with it on there. It's like, okay, well, I'll, pre-glue a few parts together and take it out the Tarbis and paint it. And really no major issues, 1 or 2 minor fit issues, exactly what you would expect. But overall, I was told it was a good kit, and it is. Got out to the shed, started masking off and priming and painting and everything. But I knew I was going to have to paint that impeller white. So once I got to the right stage, I went ahead and just masked everything off with that intake funnel around it, hit it with the white, and actually worked out pretty well. So far it's coming together. I'm not like going down in the weeds with it. I'm just building it right off the instructions, but taking the time to do a decent job on it. It's such a unique kit, it merits that. And then so far it's been a great kit. So while I was working on that, waiting for things to dry intermittent, I would be working on the Catalina. Got started on the wings today. Did the center section first, and I decided, I've got this non-toxic glue. Let me see if that stuff's any good. And it actually worked just fine. I went out online and saw where the zinc chromate was supposed to be for when the tip sponsons come down. And so I got that all pre-painted, and I'm running out of flat black, which is what Ian didn't have any of today, so I'll get some more on Thursday. I got a little bit left, so I was able to pre-paint some stuff, and right now I still got a little bit left, so we're kind of up to speed, but I think there's just going to be enough to finish the Catalina. I got work on the wingtips, the sponson fold mechanisms and everything. Clamp the crap out of it so I don't get open seams on it. Since it and the hovercraft were both drying at the same time. I just kind of had to entertain myself in the shed, which meant I had to the last thing I did was to detail out the engines for the Catalina, and I figured, this is a pretty good place to stop, let everything harden overnight, and cleaned up my workstation as much as I could, and then off to come make the video. Speaking of which, let me just go ahead and show you the video I made earlier today about having my stuff pirated. Arr, there be pirates! Well, hello everyone. This is the real Max of Pilots and Prop Wash. I've been robbed. Someone took my video on Army chase planes and did a knockoff video, but they inserted some of their own AI generated footage, which threw all the pictures out of sync, and they used some kind of AI voice. And I knew that because where I talked about how the P-51s became F-51s, it was like the PS became FS. I was like, yeah, I got you. The only thing was at the end, he didn't bother to trim my name off, so it's still using my name that says Max of Pilot Prop Wash. And no, it's not. But anyway, I thought it was kind of funny. This is not the first time I've had one of my videos lifted and re-edited. But the last one, which was about Operation Pico, when the Cubans did a Mach 1 buzz runs over the Dominican Republic, I'll put a link below, that one was actually converted into Spanish. So I'm like, well, okay, I can sort of see that. And they actually made some other changes to it as well. They just used mine as a basis. But I just thought that was kind of funny. They say imitation's the sincerest form of flattery. So, I find the whole thing pretty funny. I'll link it below along with a couple other videos. This is the real Max of Pilots and Prop Wash. Smooth flights and early arrivals. Well, there you have it. All the news that is the news in Max's Models World for the day. Guys, you take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you later. And as always, model on.